Hello, my name is Nancy from Shenzhen Selection Hardware. Stamping and sheet metal fabrication are also our services. Today, I'd like to show you some of our stamping samples we have customized for our customers before. You can see this one. This is a typical stamping part, and is a part for the lasso coffee machine. And its material is aluminum, and the surface treatment is black painting. This one is also the stamping part, and this part has the bending process. If you have any stamping parts want to be customized or manufactured, don't hesitate to contact us, and we will give you a good service as soon as possible.